Nós temos que ir para aquele lado, não é? Já é isso. Espera. Não bate as mãos. Usa o outro. It's like a true mountain man.
This is our breakfast.
So, Janie, what did you think of Oxford?
I would rate it a good 2 out of 5. I think it's like if you only have one opportunity to see it in your life, maybe. But I would not go out of my own way to go there again, ever.
Yeah.
It's just a city that is just university. Literally all the buildings are university buildings, and that's it. There's nothing else.
There's not much to see.
No, nothing at all, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like there's museums and all, but there are museums like that everywhere. I don't know.
And what did you think, kids? Tell us in the comments. Oh, ooh la la, very nice. It's moving. What are we gonna do? What did you say, kids? Is it almost time to go? Oh, let's go, kids! Oh, here we are! Hell yeah! Well, it's windy. What is it, kids? You ate all of Auntie Jenny's grapes? Without asking? Why would you do that? Oh, we need some more.
We're going to try to do kayak, but let's see how that goes.
Yes?
If it happens, then we'll just have to use the phone, because I'm not going to go with my camera in a kayak. And we have never done it before, so we could just might as well drown ourselves, so we never know.
Yeah. Say goodbye to the dinosaur train. Bye. Ready for some kayak? I am. Okay, kids, we are outside of the train. I hope you have done your pee-wees, right, Jenny?
Yes.
We told you to go to do your pee-wees. We went. Hope you washed your hands as well. Anyway, we're going to the kayak now. It's gonna be so fun. We won't have much footage because we cannot take this camera. But yeah.
We'll use our phone.
Huh?
We'll use the phone.
Where will use the phone? You can barely hear us. Probably. But here we are. Wow.
It's really, really pretty. I love the city.
Yeah.
I really cannot hear anything I'm saying. But I said the city is pretty.
What do you think, kids? Tell us in the comments. Documenting the life of Indie Jenny in a day. What will our heroine do today? Is she going to save the world? Is she going to defeat the evil capitalists?
Or maybe both.
We never know, but we will see you after this ad break. Except we don't have any ads, so we won't have one. Well, guys, Indie Jenny's got a little bit of a interesting fact to tell you.
This is where they filmed Bridgerton. I'm sure some people will know, because if you're a big fan, you probably will know. But it is due to the streets just looking like they're exactly from the 18th, 19th century. So take a look around. All the buildings, they all look like this. I believe they're made from limestone. And they're all very, very pretty. There's no ugly buildings. It's just everything pretty.
Yeah. Is that Indigeni? I can't believe Indigeni. How would we find you here? Please, give us an autograph, Indigeni. Indigeni, please answer a few questions. We are your biggest fans.
Normal life. I just want to live a normal life. Okay, sorry.
Oh no, we missed this great opportunity. We just found Indigeni here, and she doesn't want to answer our questions. Oh. Now I know what you're asking, kids. Are we there yet?
Oh, no, 5 minutes.
Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go to the kayakis! Follow Auntie Jenny! Follow Auntie Jenny! Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo. Wait. Indigeni, do you think it's that thing far, far away?
It's worth it. It's worth it.
It's either that or the entrance for the Jurassic Park. What? Let's go to the kayakis. Indigeni said she would be adding captions to this moment, but here I am. Comfort queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this package is too tight. Oh, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that. Okay, everyone. Time to put your electronic equipments away because we are going kayaking.
Oh, for at this point, I don't even know.
Yes, and look, that is a boat. I'm saying hi to the boat. They're not saying hi to us. Oh, they are. That's nice. Yeah, I'm saying hi to them.
Okay, let's put it away.
Let's put everything away. Let's go. Don't worry, kids. Pop a flashlight. Got this. Don't worry, kids.
Oh no!
Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Good thing my phone is waterproof. Ok, just... Não, estás a dar mais lado do que outro. Estás a dar mais lado. This is a freak show.
Come on!
Mas ainda nos consegue ver ali. Ok, dá mais desse lado,
Onde é que ele disse, caralho? Ele disse que ela tem um certo sítio.
Yeah, a gente vai atrás dos outros.
Tu viste as horas?
Sim, temos um temporizador. Não sei, temos um temporizador. Tu tens velhas na cabeça. You got lace in your hair now. Não, estás a virar outra vez. Dá mais desse lado.
This one goes too deep, I think.
Or maybe it's just because we don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Oh gosh.
It's either one of those.
I'm gonna get some muscle.
Oh god. No, doesn't even.
Look at this paddler.
Please, my lord, let me eat. Oh shit.
And we are steering this little thing. Look at that! Woo!
Woo! A normal occasion, you would not want to do all the work, but she says he wants to do all the rowing.
So fun!
And I'm just chilling now. Just chilling. We're chilling.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's like refreshing. I have no idea what to do. I guess I'll just chill. And we have passed.
Steer. Don't forget to steer.
Oh right. I always forget to do that.
You're pulling your
No,
left one too much.
No, it's not because look at how the river goes.
Oh,
I'm professional. Do not question me.
You sure you don't want to pull your right one?
There you go. Let's go. Guys, this is what happens when you work so hard. Or probably don't know what the fuck you do.
I
Oh.
have as well.
Wait, you can't even see on the camera.
Podes virar para a direita?
Okay, we have blisters on our left hands, okay? And it's hurting me quite a lot, actually. So I'm just gonna put my hand on the water. Wait! Which one?
The other one. The one
there we
we
go.
want to turn to.
Alright, makes sense.
Oh gosh. Oh no.
Come on, you peasants.
Oh my god, I'm hitting the bottom.
Okay, come on, peasant. You can do it. We're not really moving. Okay, now. Give it all you've got. Give it all you've got. And there's a little animal over there. Cute.
I forgot to put the fish here. We are going back now. It's been 1 hour. And
We only paid there, I mean, you can only pay for 2 minutes.
yeah, we've only paid for 2 hours. We're kind of tired. But it's so cool.
Yeah, I think we should do it. I think we can actually do it in Bristol as well. So, go get yours right now. Just letting you know, it is tiring. Especially if you don't know what you're doing. Not that I know. But now it's fine. Like, it's not tiring anymore.
Yeah, we were doing it the wrong way, I guess.
We were like going on zigzags. But, like, you can go like this and you don't have to put as much effort.
The relaxing moments.
Yeah. So we are having lunch right now, fish fingers and couscous. We made it yesterday. You and your life jacket are so funny. Like, we didn't fall, so I consider it a win. And we were going on the opposite direction, but that's like right there where it is. And they told us that we couldn't. So we're just, I don't even know how you say it, but we just stopped here in a house. Yeah, in the house harbor. I don't know. And so we can eat and we don't stay in the way of people passing by. How would you rate this experience?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5? I would do it again, and I think next time we go even crazier and we go with the kayak. Just like speed running. I think it was really cool. I got a blister, but it's just because we weren't doing it the right way. So we were hurting ourselves and we were putting a lot more strength than you need to do. We took half the time getting here, so that's why we have time to spare. So you obviously learn as you do it. I think next time we will be professionals, you know? You think? I think we're gonna have lunch and we shall see you soon. We don't have any museums to see in Bath, but we have all the sightseeing spots, and we're just going to walk through the city and we're gonna check them out. And then at night we're going to Bristol, and then we're gonna spend there 2 days, and then we're just going back to Sheffield, and then we'll go to Glasgow and Edinburgh to visit our friends. So it's gonna be super exciting, this trip outside, right? I'll start eating now because you're making me jealous.
Amor, eu estou a tentar, ok? Estamos a afastar-nos. Ok, já está. Amor, o barco está aí nessa direção. Já. Ok. Amor, vá, anda lá. Já sei, nós temos que ir para aquele lado, não era? Já é isso. Espera. Não batas. Usa o outro.
Não, empurra o barco.
Como vai? Estou a gravar.
Empurra o barco, sério. Tipo,
Ok. Era por isso que a gente estava aí para ali, porque a gente estávamos ao contrário.
Amor, eu estou a dar e não vai.
Tens de estar com os dois agora, amor, dá com os dois agora.
Não, amor, se for com os dois,
Ok, acho que já podes dar com os dois. Well, guys, this is the end. We are going there, saying goodbye to our boat number 63.
forever and ever.
Yeah, this is nice, very relaxing. Work, slave, work.
Is that because I'm 0.1?
It's because you've got blue hair. Blue-haired people are inferior to other colors.
To yellow people?
Yes, exactly. Yolk yellow is the supreme race. No, paddle.
I will kill you with this paddle. Straighten this.
I know I am. I am.
Ah!
I can see the swan.
You made us. Am I running over this one?
No, you're not.
This is shit. It was fine before we got here.
No, we already had much water.
Not this much.
Hi, swan. Actually, just keep doing it, Jenny. Jenny, no.
Oh, you poor.
Oh, so cute, though.
You what? She's coming with us forever. Come home. We're taking you
I
home.
could give him bread.
We have a shower. You can keep it there.
Should I give him bread?
No, that's not good. It's
I don't have
gross.
grapes anymore. I like his music.
Flashy is eating strawberry ice cream.
And Jenny's eating flat white coffee.
Can you show me? I hate coffee. I just decided I like sweets that taste like coffee. So I thought I should try it.
Is that good?
It's good. It does taste like coffee though. More than I would. What about yours?
It tastes weird. I've eaten strawberry once before, but this one tastes a bit weird. It doesn't really
Maybe
remind
that's
me
how
of
it's
strawberry.
supposed to taste. But you've always tasted wrong ones.
Yeah. Probably with lots of sugar.
Yeah. Today is revealing day. Is it or is it not? Strawberry ice cream. circus. Looks pretty nice. I think they have recorded some of the shots from Bridgerton here, but I'm not really quite sure. But I believe so, because it's just all around in a circle. Here is the Royal Crescent. It's big. It's bigger than the circus, but it's pretty much the same thing. And I believe there's some of the scenes were also recorded here. And some people are sitting over there, so there's a lot of green space around it. And people actually live here. So they must be bajillionaires. But it's pretty. It looks like it needs a coat of paint. No, just joking. Needs sanding. Looks really good. But the weather is a bit cloudy now. We are currently going to the train station because it's already time and we don't have any stay here in Bath. We just have in Bristol. So we have to go to our Airbnb. We're tired and we still have at least, like 6 days, well not 6, 5 days of holidays. So we shall be going. Just be careful. Okay. Going to Bristol. What do you think about Bath? We're leaving Bath.
Well, I think it was very nice, but I did not have a bath. I don't know about you, Jenny. Did you have a bath?
No, I did not. Back in the day, Bath was where the Romans built a bath. And that's
yes.
Yeah.
They built it. It was like the aqua show of the Roman Empire. Well, just kidding. But the aqua show in a few Roman cities. And also, they had very important events there, like orgies.
And now they charge us £25 to see where they wipe their ass and peed. And I am not. I do not agree with that. Do you agree with that? The microphone dropped.
No, I do not. Even if it was 2,000 years ago.
Save yourself £25 and go do kayaking.
Yes, it was very good.
It was really nice actually, and you can do it in Bristol as well. And you can also do paddling in Oxford, but we did not book it, so there you go. Now you know.
Yes.
We're out! We are free! We are in Bristol!
Oh gosh, the focus.
There we go, yeah. Perfect camera. Don't know what you're on about. You're jealous.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go!
Não sei se queres preparar primeiro. Ho ho ho! Hello, kids! I'm not supposed to say this.
Hey!
Because we're in
We
your
are
train.
in Bristol. As you saw, we have arrived here, and this is the room. We are in the Airbnb, so the owner, well, not the owner, maybe the person who is renting the flat, he's also staying here. So it's a bit
Yes, and this is our bed. And as always, because we also paid for your stay, you're staying here in the closet. Now go. Bye.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling, they trying to catch me riding dirty, try to catch me riding dirty, try to catch me riding